to Germany for us. Okay, so this is now the part. This is now the tree. So I just come back at house and I eat popping boba and just go unbox this. Okay, first have this one. Okay, so we have this one. I think I want secret. Okay, so go open this. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. So let's see if there's a card. Okay. So I got the card already, but I don't want to show you guys. But I just put the card there. Okay, so which one we're gonna do? I want Skull Panda or Coca-Cola. I want Skull Panda because I think it's easy. Okay, so I want The Secret or The Song of Snow or Rock On. Okay, so it can be a secret. It can be Song of Snow. It can be Rock On. It's right here. So I need. Oh, it's right here, but I cannot get it. Let me just. I'm sorry, but I close it. Okay, let's go. Cannot wait to open. I just rigged it. But there's no like the line thing. Because I buy the one has no lines. I buy this at Pop Mart. I mean, it can be Pop Mart or anything. Yes, I want you to guess, but it's not Pop Mart. It's not anything. It's gonna be Pop Mart. So, oh my gosh. Okay. So, okay, I just put it right there. Okay. With this one. Okay. Okay, let's see this first. Hey, this one. Okay. It's gonna wait.
What do you have made the second box?
Wait, you can change eyes. Oh my god, he's so cute.
Ganda na nakuha ni
He's so
Jermaine.
cute. Oh my gosh, look at guys, he's so cute. Wow, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, sorry. Okay, open this one. This one or this one? I think I want The Secret or this one. Okay. Wait, this one. This I'm gonna open it calm. It can hurt the Labubu. Open it, you can hurt the Labubu. Just like that because you can hurt the Labubu. Okay. This time, let's go.
Wait. Try this shirt.
What the heck? Why it's like this? Wait. It's bold.
Try the shirt first.
What? This is a Lafufu. For sure.
I have this latte.
Try this one muna.
Okay.
Sige na.
They still like it. It's so funny.
Yeah.
I love it so much. Yay, that's it. Bye. See you next time, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Where's my...